Welcome to Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers' demand. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details. So keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet shipping container. The total area I've taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12 meter and the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter. In the front we have a door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living plus kitchen area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, TV unit arrangement, and also kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. And on the left side we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the right side we have bedroom number 2 here with same size. You can see here the bed arrangement and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.